Hello there. Have you ever searched for any news topic on any AI tool such as Perplexity, ChatGPT, or Gemini? You get one thing, a summary, one blended answer that resolves all your sources into a single summary. But what about when your sources disagree? When one news outlet says the government reforms are working and another outlet says the citizens are not seeing anything. How does this get resolved? Well, that's where Ticintel comes in. Ticintel, instead of summarizing what the sources say, map out where they conflict. Ticintel is an investigative search tool that you search any topic, it retrieves full articles from multiple outlets, extracts every factual claim, and also detects genuine contradictions across them, and then provide a structured investigative brief, such as conflict analysis, coverage gaps, and concrete next step. Let me show you how it works. I am going to investigate on the Nigeria's fuel subsidy removal, one of the most contested economic policy decisions in Africa in recent years. So I have gotten my prompt and I'll press investigate. As you can see, the pipeline runs in real time. The search agents find sources. Now the URL retriever fetches full articles, not just the snippets of those sources. The extraction agent reads those articles and pulls out factual claims from them. And then those factual claims are then sent to the contradiction agent. Now, this part is where no other search tool does. It holds claims in context of what we are looking at, where sources directly conflict. And then the brief, it synthesizes all summaries, conflicts, contradictions together to provide one smooth response to the user. There, we see the headlines and we see two conflicts. If we notice, we see the first factual conflict. The conflict is that on May 31st, Al Jazeera reported that the fuel subsidy removal took effect on July 1st. But Punch newspapers, a local newspaper channel in Nigeria, said it took place after Tinubu's inauguration on May 29th. There, we see where those two sources conflict. The other conflict we see is on May 6, 2026, at Daily Post, where President Bola Tinubu declared that Nigeria has achieved improved foreign exchange stability from the fuel subsidy. But then Punch newspaper reported that the Nigerian Labour Congress has called for the reversal and that the policy has deepened poverty and reduced production capacity. We see two different contradictions and claims. We also see where those sources align on and also how many sources we analyzed. Currently from our topic, we see 4 sources we analyzed, that of Al Jazeera, Punch, Daily Post, and The Conversation. And also, you could also ask follow-up questions to this topic and get more information from the follow-up. Now, what was Ticintel built on? Ticintel was built using Blackboard.io. Blackboard.io is an LLM. Blackboard.io is a stateful AI platform that handles all of the AI stack, all from one API. One API does it all. LLM routing, state manager, agentic RAG, memory engine, and web search, all from one API. Blackboard.io supports over 17,000 models and over 500 million stack configurations. So, if you want to think of building agentic AI, the next revolution of AI, I suggest you use Blackboard. Blackboard.io is a stateful AI platform that handles all of the AI stack, all from one API. One API does it all. LLM routing, state manager, agentic RAG, memory engine, and web search, all from one API. Blackboard.io supports over 17,000 models and over 500 million stack configurations. So, if you want to think of building agentic AI, the next revolution of AI, I suggest you use Blackboard.